Hey all, I'm hoping you guys can help me troubleshoot this potential problem, and I really don't know if it'll duplicate when I do what I'm about to do. But in a nutshell, what's been happening is I've been hearing what I believe to be the under playfield diverters humming during ball location and sometimes during certain lock scenarios, but I can't get them to hum in solenoid test mode. I took off the subway last week and I rebuilt and cleaned both subway diverters. The back diverter I did not take off, but I did clean it, and it is actually very free moving. I can't feel any binding. That all occurred because I burned a coil 2 weeks ago under the subway diverter, and ultimately on the driver 8 board, one of the tip 102s got burned because of that. I went ahead and did the tie-back modification and took it out from underneath the playfield and made a jumper over to the appropriate jumpers on the back box. After I did that and replaced the tip 102, everything went back to working fine. But I'm still getting this hum. I've always gotten this hum since I've owned the game, and I'm not quite sure what to make of it. Some things I've read say that it's somehow making ground. Anyway, I'm going to see if it'll do it, and please chime in if you have any thoughts on where I should go and what I should look for. So I'm going to turn it on. Let's see what happens. Okay, I think so far so good. So I'm going to run through all of the solenoids. All right, so let's do the left gun kicker. All right, that one's fine. Right gun kicker. That one is hung. I've got to work on that one, but it's not vibrating. Left gun popper. Let's do that one. It kicked out a ball, no vibration. Right gun popper. Also kicked out a ball, no vibration. Left popper. Kicked out a ball. Plunger. No vibration. Knocker. Love to hear that sound. Kickback. Kickback fired, no vibration. Left sling. No vibration. Right sling. No vibration. Trough. Load a ball, no vibration. Left jet. No vibration. Right jet. No vibration. Bottom jet. No vibration. Top diverter. No vibration. Board kicker. No vibration. Left gun motor, right gun motor. Under diverter top. No vibration. Under diverter bottom. No vibration. And that should bring us, oh no, there's a drop up. I replaced that. That was the solenoid that burned. and drop down. There, that worked, no vibration. And now we're back to the left gun kicker. So now I'm going to clear out the balls. Close the door here. All right, got 4 balls in my hand and 1 in each kicker. Each gun. So I got a total of 6 balls out of the machine now. I'm gonna close it up and let me get out of the test. And let's see if it'll do what it's been doing. I'm gonna start a game here. Locating balls. But I don't know if you can hear that buzz. So now I'm going to load the balls, but they like 3 of them buzzed, but I don't know which 3. So I've loaded the balls. Just sending one up. There's that buzz. Sending up a second ball. There's that buzz. Sending up a third ball. And it went, I guess, someplace else, no buzz. So that's what I'm talking about, and that buzz will also sometimes happen in the game during lock. Is that normal?